What's holding you down? I ain't like others. Don't let them hold your ground. I am in the summer sky. I am hearing all the lies.
What's up, Spence? How you doing, man? 12K incoming. Hot off the press. Who the fuck is Kirby? Yeah, no clue who that is, man. These guys are fucking dime a dozen.
motive for murder. She was murdered.
Atoms fall apart. Solar flares arrive. Buildings collapse. Only a few will survive. The world as we know it will no longer be there.
What's up, and Coach Dyson stream initiated? True. Shit never lost section.
Prepare yourself for the apocalypse. The apocalypse.
Weebos, what's going on, dude? Let's see. Is the new recommendation? Jesus Christ. Cheese and rice. Oh my fucking god.
The heat is scorching. Forests burned up. The sky
All right, guys, let's get into it. How's everybody doing today? Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys didn't get killed on some of those down moves. Let's transition over to the nice lady here. A couple of disclaimers before we start off. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just a guy trading my own shit. All of the indicators and tools that I use can be found on the bapigindicator.com website. These guys make the best mathematics-based indicators on TradingView. You can find a referral link in the description of the stream, and you can also find a link to our Discord down there as well. Come and join, come hang out, and come talk shit, and let's see what kind of profits you can pull off. All right, let's get into it. Bye, lady. Very nice, thank you. How much time do we have here? We have 13 minutes before the open. Let's go off of the world indices here. Music down a little bit more. All right. All right, Australia 200. I believe we were positive on this since we got the stick down on entropy here. Mom has been trending down for a little while here, but above the POVMA, not too much to worry about so far. Let's see how this one goes. Look for Mom to give you a sign of further upside here, as well as the SSR Pro could potentially turn up. Does have decent amount of room here to the upside. Let's take a look at the Germany 30. Had a very nice day yesterday, pulling back a little bit today. SSR still pointed up, although you did get a cross down on the MOM. As long as you're above the POVMA, it's still very positive. Look for the moves to come to the upside. Let's see the weekly on this. Yes, weekly. I would want to buy some protection on the weekly. This is kind of dangerous stuff here with the HVP being so low. This can take a very long time to play out. Let's just take the last little period here. This was the Rona dump. Not suggesting that anything like this will happen, but your assumption here should be higher HVP in the future. This is over 91 days, so about 3 months. I would want to be protected. This is not a directional tool. It can come to the upside, but not very nice on the weekly. All right, let's take a look at RTSI. What the fuck, bro? You said BTC is all good. Stream sucks. I have said many things about BTC. What did I say about this yesterday? We did get down to the first expected move. Let's just get right into BTC. You did get a negative read on MOM, and the SSR was turned down. I believe that was our look at BTC yesterday. We could have gone off of the expected moves here today. Just for full disclosure, I did end up adding some more positions in the crypto space. I don't think I added any BTC today. I added BNB. I shouted that out on Twitter. That was on the 1 hour trade. BTC is a little bit interesting here. The MOM is pretty far down. The SSR is suggesting that this is not a trending move down. And I'm still looking for this entropy to play out because it hasn't ticked up in any sort of significant manner. I'm looking for further upside on BTC. I don't care to call the exact price of where it's going to go down. The market is random. Yeah, look for the cross up on mom. If we settle below the POVMA, I would start to get worried. And if the SSR turns up, I would start to get worried for a trending move down. But so far, this is just noise as far as I'm concerned. Let's take a look at a lower time frame on BTC. See if we can see any sort of extreme happening. You did get an extreme on the HVZ. Mom is hinting at a turn down here from this move. Could this be the end of it? I want my sub money back. No. Too late, motherfucker. All right. Let's see here. On the 4 hour, nothing too extreme other than the HVZ here. HVP is ticking down. No entropy on this move so far. SSR is hinting at a cross down here on the next tick. I think the 1 hour did get pretty intense. Need to suit you. Good luck, bro. Good luck with that. All right, let's take a look, see here. 26 bars back. Even the note, like, I know you're VRAN, I know you're just fucking around, but like, you know, for the people who aren't fucking around with shit like that, even the notion that you could know something for sure about the market disregards the fundamental fact that it's random. Like that's why expected moves have two sides to them, you know. It's anything can happen at any time. Let's take a look at the 1% probability. Yeah, you were grinding the 1% cone all the way down, got some nice trades off of that as well. If anybody is trading away from extremes, this is the sort of behavior that we could see. There's nothing special about the 1%. It just it's 98% likely to stay inside the cone. So I'm not sure what a good probability for you is to take a trade. 98% is pretty fucking good. This was done on the 1 hour with the SSR getting pretty high up there and turning back down, suggesting that this immediate downside move is now over and we have to look for something new. Let's take a look at the indices before they open. We got 7 minutes. Yes. All right, S&P 500 looks like it's going to open up today positive, with mom still moving down heavy. I wouldn't be so sure of immediate upside on this. I think more likely you put in a couple of oh no, you put in a couple of red candles here before something new starts. Look for the mom to turn back up and the SSR to denote that, hey, I'm wrong about that. Let's take a look at the weekly as well. Weekly HVP is very, very low. With SSR still moving up, looks like we're gonna get a pretty significant move over the course of weeks to the upside here. Very positive on the weekly on this. I would want to be protected in the long term over 63 or so days, maybe even further out, because low periods of volatility can hang around with us for quite a long time, but high volatility does happen in the future. All right, let's continue on. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq actually getting that cross up on mom, SSR still trending down, and HVP expanding. This is very nice for Nasdaq as long as this continues. If we can confirm this today, it's just hinting at it. We actually have to close the day before we can confirm it. But this is good. This is good for Nasdaq. We could see a new all-time highs. Very within range here, especially with shit like Tesla pumping. Do I want to go back to the indices? Let's double check here. Anything significant happen? It looks like China and Hong Kong, the Hang Seng Index, both had a little bit of a bleed out here. Wow, SSR picking up from a very low zone on this down move. This lines up pretty well with the weekly being at the POVMA here, and the HVP expanding, and I'm getting across down right in that area. I not necessarily looking for new lows, but I'm looking for some downside. Somewhere within the expected moves would probably be well expected. All right, let's take a look. See here at the HSI. HSI in a very similar position. You're still above the POVMA on both of them, but I'm now going negative on it. Let's see if this holds. How's Dow Jones doing? Do you guys manage to take any trades today, or are you just watching your portfolio slowly bleed out? Let's see here. Mom, come on, Mom. Yeah, Mom's still trending negative here. Likely down to one of the expected moves. HVZ very low. Look for this to pick up in the near future. All right, let's take a look at the Bitcoins. Let's actually take a look at the Bitcoin weekly. God lucky holding some 1-inch and Aave bags. Nice. I added some Aave yesterday. What the fuck is 1-inch? I think somebody was shouting out a chart in the Discord today. Might have. I hope Cash, I told you I'm a genius. Yeah, man. Good luck. Good luck, my friend. You will make exactly $0, but hey, at least you won't lose money. This 1-inch your penis. This is the only job where you can actually fucking lose money, or one of them, I guess. I don't know what other ones are, but. Nice, solid 42% move on the day. SSR moving up on the daily, and I'm pretty high up there. Let's take a look at a shorter time frame, maybe like a 1 hour. 1-inch DeFi exchange when learn? Never. I will never learn about what any of this shit does. I just want to trade it. Yeah, nice. You got a entropy move here. You actually got a pretty good entry here on the 1 hour with the SSR being positive there. You're way outside of the 1% cone. Let's expand this out a bit. Guaranteed to lose money. Yeah, you're actually way outside of the 0.1% cone. Wow, this is a pretty fucking hefty move. Could we go 0.01? Yeah, you're even outside of that. Wow. Incredible move here for 1-inch. 41% move for the day. You did get some nice exits on Mom here and the HVP as well. What can we say about this? As long as you're above the POVMA, look for this to turn back up. I would be willing to bet that the HVP cools off in the near future here over the next 120 hours or so. Not on the, there's no science behind that number. It's just kind of the time frame I use to bet on HVP expansions and contractions. It's worked for me in the past. There's it doesn't have to be this way. It can be much longer. It could be much shorter. This was 91 bars, for example, and there are shorter blocks as well. Don't lose money, only buying power. Don't lose money, only buying power. All right, that's gonna give me a fucking headache in there. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Oh, that's the market open. Thank you very much. Ethereum. You got to take down an entropy here, and you are in an extreme low on the SSR. I would be personally looking for mom to turn up and HVP to expand to denote a buy. The thing I would be assuming here is that you're about to start a trending move of some sort. Let's see, last time we had SSR pick up to the upside. It didn't give you much on it, and it was in that similar kind of low HVP area with that mom cross up, and then a little bit further down the line you actually did get that HVP expansion, and you got a nice move off the SSR as well. Likely I don't want to be making calls. I don't want to be making calls personally. I would be a buyer. Let me just say that I'm not making a call on it personally. I would take a chance there. All right, let's see how's Peter Schiff doing. Lil Chubb, what's up, man? How is Peter Schiff today? Did this look different? No, we were looking at it over here. Wow, I haven't looked at gold in a while. Gold looks positive. Wait for some of this to turn itself around, but likely a buy over here. Let's take a look on the weekly. Weekly still in a range of bullshit, but you do have a tick up on the SSR here. Could be the start of something big. We'll have to wait and see. Silver. Silver looks much worse. SSR is very high, unlikely to persist to the upside here, with mom hinting it across down, still below the POVMA. Do you sniff asses? Do you not, Spence? You should try it. It's a fucking good time, man. Just tongue punch a girl in her asshole. Alright, let's take a look at GitLab. GitLab this on weekly. Who doesn't? Exactly, man. Who doesn't? Not much from the tools perspective here. I mean, this is so fucking recent. I'm holding this one. If it goes below my buy point at 94, I will probably end up adding some more. What else did we look at yesterday? We looked at Apple, I believe. Oh, let's take a look at Tesla. What's Tesla up to say? Yet another green day for Tesla. Wow, powerful. Powerful Tesla. Certainly not in this sort of aggressive fashion, but you are still looking like today's going to be an update. HVP still very low. HVZ cooled off plenty. SSR is moving down. Look for the cross on mom, cross on SSR to denote the next big up. On a ride down the chocolate freeway. Nice. Chocolate Boy's gonna love that. All right, let's take a look at the rates. The long end of the curve is actually moving down in a pretty significant fashion, down 2.5% today. This is worrisome for the taper narrative. If people are placing bets just based on the fact that Fed is going to taper, kind of unlikely. But also, kind of the market's been moving up anyway, so I guess there aren't a lot of people betting on it. Short end of the curve moving up. This is much more responsive to Fed policy, whereas the long end of the curve is much more responsive to the actual macroeconomic factors, because that's where everybody borrows. All right, let's take a look at some currencies maybe. No, this is not the right chart. Also a Dyson stream, yes it is. All right, USD having a nice move up off of the low. You did actually end up getting to that, nearly getting to that 5% level. Let's see if we can gauge any sort of extreme on the weekly. Turn this back to 1%. $29 bars. Yeah, let's take a look at any. You are on the 5%, not quite getting there, but nothing magical about this number. HVP very low, would like to be protected against that. SSR giving you an extreme high here. This move down is likely coming to an end within the next couple of weeks, potentially even days. HVP still expanding here on the daily. Let's take a look at any. Sphere 3D Corp. What is this? Technology service, information technology service. It's daily, yes. Let's go to the weekly. On the weekly, you're actually ticking down on the entropy here as you've had a couple of negative candles. Likely this immediate upside move is over. HVP very high here as well. I would be betting on this to cool. Not that you can't get some drift up from that. Let's see what the daily has to say. Below the POVMA, HEP is cooling, mom's negative, SSR moving up. I don't think I would want to participate on this right here, right now, but probably there will be some good buying opportunities coming up for Sphere 3D. Any something with Bitcoin, any shit. What the fuck are you talking about? I'll just hold it. Yeah, fair enough. The thing that I'll be betting on here is drift. It's not some sort of insane move. Where's a good example? Something like this. Doesn't have to be exactly like this, but we can gauge that from the mom tools. You probably get some drift and probably present yourself with a good buying opportunity. A few hours ago, CryptoPunk was sold for $630,000. Jesus, who has the money? I swear to God, they're paying these fucking mic licking girls way too much. Who bought it? Let's take a look. I bet it doesn't even fucking look good. Let me find it. All right. Let's. 630K cheap for Punk. Let's go to the largest sales. All right, 7.58 million for this. Why? Like that's so much real money. What can I buy? Ah, my fucking God. 7.5 million. I just don't understand real art, bro. No, you guys just don't understand the fucking value of money. That's a fucking insane amount of money. Let's see, $7.5 million cars. You could buy 3 of these. You can buy 3 of these. The fucking Speedtail. Look at the monkey with hat, 30 mil. Jesus. You can buy 3 of these. A Pininfarina. You guys know who Pininfarina was? He was the guy that fucking did the design for Ferraris. Shit's nuts. Look at that. A fucking Mercedes AMG Project 1. Jesus, what the fuck? Or you can have this fucking thing. Look at this. Okay. Look at that. I got a CryptoPunk, guys. Fucking pay me. Alright. God, this trend is so fucking dumb. Alright, to each their own, I guess. Who am I to judge? Anything else we want to take a look at quickly here? How did the market open? Let's look at the shorter term time frames on S&P 500 to see if we can gauge anything here. HVP is picking up below the POVMA. You likely see a move down today. Let's take a look, see here. As long as you're below the POVMA here on the 1 hour, and mom gives you a cross down once more, that would spell probably bad news. What can we expect for the S&P 500 today? First expected move down would be 45.41. Second one's 40.42, and third one's 44.31. Not good in the short term here. Not looking very nice. All right, let's see the monkey with the hat. Let's see the monkey with the hat. Do you have a link? Or do I just fucking Google the monkey with the hat? Oh, is this it? Is this where you're talking about the monkey with the hat? Jesus, somebody offered fucking 60 million for this. Yeah, 60 million, monkey with the hat. That's insane. The fuck are people doing? Look at what he wants. Alright, let's see. What? 15,000 F. 15,000 F for this. Jesus. Where's Wall sitting on SPX? Let's take a look at volatility. The VIX is decently low, 15, almost 16. Historically, we have been lower. You're not at any sort of extreme here on any of the tools that we have. Let's see. I wonder if we can do a probability panel on this. I don't know what sort of limitations there would be with using the tools on the VIX. I'll be very honest about that. I'm not sure if there are any or if there aren't any, but let's try. Where's probability panel? Am I blind? Here we go. And let's go something like 1395, 14, and let's go 21. We want to go double side and future bars, and let's go out 30 days. Get a hint. Hello? Oh shit. 21, 14. Also scale with autocorrelation. You have a very high chance of within the next 30 days being within the range of 21 and lower than 14. Actually, 47% of going below 14 on the VIX, and 40% chance of staying between 14 and 21. This is over the next 30 days, yes, and 12% chance of going above 21. So looks like from a probability perspective, we're gonna continue to see a compression of the VIX here. Can I try a different volatility model? Yes. EWMA? Yeah, let's try EWMA. Let's see if that adjusts the probabilities. No, they're virtually the same. The probability to stay inside the range moved down a little bit, and the above target probability moved up a little bit. I'm assuming like we should probably pick a model that is pretty good at handling gaps and shit on the VIX, right? Yeah, like the Yang Zhang, okay. Yang Zhang. Laplace. Yeah, higher on the above target probability, about the same on the below target probability, 47%. Do with that what you will. All right, let's take a look at the crypto top 100. A bunch of shit bled out today. Yeah, you got it, man. No worries. A bunch of shit bled out today. We actually, I don't know if any of you guys are following my Twitter. I'm gonna be hopefully, not hopefully. I'm going to try and post more content there that's not related to the stream necessarily. I'm gonna be trying to update it with charts. One of the ones I shouted out today was the BNB coin. Let's take a look at that. The CZ shitcoin. Let's see. Yes. We were looking at it on the 1 hour, and it was getting way out there on the probabilities. You were down at 1%, and I believe I even had this set down to 0.1%. So if you guys are interested in that kind of content, go follow me there. A couple of things of note here on this move. No, it did not. Did it? Maybe I had it set a little bit further up. 8 bars. Signals. Oh yeah, true. I should do that. Joe Boss, thank you for mentioning that. I think I ran out of characters. Yeah, I'm gonna be building that out a little bit more too. Definitely not signals, but hopefully if I see something that you guys are just not paying attention to, it'll be of benefit. Let's go something like that. So we saw here SSR getting very high, suggesting that, hey, you're not gonna persist for very long here. Mom was getting very deep. HVP was decently high, and you were outside of the 0.1% cone. This is a great occurrence for a very short-term trade. I don't know how you guys play this. I'm not calling any sort of immediate reversal to the upside. It just, you know, as far as scalps go, that's a pretty probable trade. 99.8% of the time you're going to be winning those things, but you have to find enough occurrences. What did Bali say yesterday? I'm going to even fucking read it, okay? Straight from the master. First observe, then form assumptions, then calculate estimates for what's expected to occur, then get enough occurrences for the distribution to play out, then win if assumptions were correct. Powerful. Powerful stuff. A bunch of other shit too. What else bled out? No, Ave did actually pretty well. Ave did pretty well. Like, this is an example of when it didn't work out, although I'm sure you have a cone further back on the 0.1% probability as well. The thing of note on the cones, you actually got 2 occurrences here. Wow. All of them are correct simultaneously. Shiba, let's take a look at Shiba. Yeah, Shiba fucking putting in work. Holy shit. Very powerful. Entropy still moving down on the 1 hour. This is a very significant move. Wait for the entropy to tick up. Maybe we can check to see how this played out last time. Kind of similar move up with the high volatility with entropy ticking down for a while. Where was a good time to reduce your cost basis? It was over here. You got a bunch of confirmations. One of them was SSR moving up on a down candle. The other one, entropy moving back up. HVC giving you an extreme here as well, and mom going negative. Nice. That opportunity didn't hang around for very long though, as you did end up making new highs later on. So play that however you want to. You are coming up on the 0.1% cone here though. Be careful. All right, let's see. I want to see the biggest losers to see if we can find some other occurrences here for today. Gala looks pretty good for a trade. Very similar kind of idea here with the SSR being very high, volatility being very high on the 1 hour, and mom turning back up. I'm actually going to use this as a trade. Sorry guys, give me 1 second here. Is this... Oh, I gotta check if it's on FTX. Fuck. Yes. No. No, it's not. God damn it, FTX, get more shitcoins, please. Adam's giving you a very similar setup. I actually ended up getting down to the second expected move. I think most of the juice that I would want to take on this trade is pretty much done. I would want to be actually onboarding outside of the cone or at least near it. Let's take a look, see here. And we have a different read on the SSR as well. Let's take a look. Yeah, like this was the time to be taking these trades, really. Got a nice move down to the third expected move on Alice, whatever that is. All right, let's actually go over. Oh, I'm looking on Binance. That's why. Let's go over to FTX and see what moved. I'm sure I'm glad we took some fucking profit on Avalanche. Jesus. Yeah, I'm sure all of these are going to be in the same sort of stance. Some of these give you pretty fucking good opportunity. Pretty good occurrences here on the 1 hour to make some money. Unfortunately, it looks like we missed the boat on most of them. We will have to wait and see for something new. This stream sucks. Yeah, fucking true, man. All right, Smins. Let's YOLO into Bitcoin. It's going to 1,100K. Okay. Yeah, when to refund? Never refund, you fuckers. You guys just want the lady back, okay? I know your games. I know your games. Yes, Vince, weren't you promising some people some F giveaways, or when's that happening? Ooh, bro, that's a fucking Taliban right there. Oh my god. That's a fucking win stream in yoga pants, Vlad. Fucking never, guy. Fucking never. Jesus. 1 second. I just gotta do something real quick. All right. If this is how we're gonna play this, I just gotta Taliban Smints real quick here. Give me 1 sec. I'm not gonna put your pants on and get fucked. 1 second, guys. Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh my god. I need counter signal. I don't know. Them are fighting words, okay? I think you need to go in the corner for a bit. Jesus Christ! What the fuck? Okay. I was gonna Taliban him, but then I got distracted by something here. We're gonna go to the left side scene here. How is this legal? But I can't use certain words. How is this a thing? God damn it, Spence, you're so fucking lucky. You're so lucky. Like, how is this a thing, man? Astrological. Yeah, let's see where the moons align, okay? Oh lord, what has the world come to? All right, that's enough. Before I lose all of my viewers to this lady. This is fuck. I closed it here. Here, leave my stream. Go on. Bunch of fucking horn dogs. Bye. No, come back. We'll rate her after, okay? We'll go over there. We'll talk to her about financial advice and whatnot. FTC might have a decent trade on the table here. Let's just continue to move this back. Uh, 39 bars. 39 bars. No, what the fuck? 36 bars. Can you watch 2 streams on Twitch at once? Asking for a friend? Yeah, you can. Multiple monitors. The stream sucks and Vlad is gay. You fucking wish, guy. You wish. Alright, let's see here.
This is the end of side 1 of this record. Please now turn it over for the second side.
Alright, let's get some FTT perps. Check Discord DMs. Did you send me shit? Oh no, you talking to somebody else. What's up? How you doing, Poppy? I thought when you joined the stream, I thought your name was Tazewhack. I didn't know it was Tazewhack. When stream? Soon, my friend. Alright, let's take a position here. Did you just join, Poppy? You missed some you missed some good you missed some good points here. Here we'll wait for the lady's taking a break. It looks like we'll wait for it to come back, and then we'll yeah, DC Hang, nice. Apple's doing okay. Fuck, there were some nice trades on the table this morning. I should have paid more attention. Yeah, man. That's the fucking way to do it. Honestly, shit seems to happen when you're not paying attention. It's the strangest thing. Especially in crypto being alive for 24 hours a day. Mimo, let's take a look. I'm just gonna mark off FTT perps. Hairspan Network Holdings. Okay, this thing has a liquidity issue or what? Is this a shitcoin? Finance. Am I looking at the right thing, Weebos? I hope I am. Is this even recent? No, it's not that recent. How long ago is this? About a year. About a year in the market here. Anything we can say about this? HVP's right in the middle. This daily, yeah, this is daily. SSR getting to a low. This is not making it clear from a daily perspective at all. I would wait for something better. The only thing is that you're kind of in the range of bullshit, and Mom gave you a cross down. I'd probably look for some downside here. Volatility could go either way. Let's take a look on the shorter time frames. Looks like this immediate move up is exhausted on the SSR. Could just reset and go for another run, but you kind of have to wait and see before we can call something like that. I forgot why I bought it, honestly. Okay. Hey, fair enough. This honestly, shit like this though, like DWAC is another one of those that's like, oh, I don't know why I bought it, and then the next fucking day it went like, fucking what was this? 14x. Like that's nutty. That's crazy. That's crazy. This has been alive for 27 days. FTM was another one that people were shouting out. Let's see. Yeah, fucking missed the boat on this. All right, well, there will be more opportunities in the future, that's for sure. Maybe some even coming up. Let's set some alerts, maybe down to the second expected move here. Let's see if we get that. XRP shitcoin. We did end up buying FTT for a quick scalp. Let's see. Fucking Cone is just so powerful. Who is Chili Willy in here? Was he telling me that I'm just too afraid to take a position on DOT? Was that a Chili Willy thing? I think it might have been. I think we were looking for a long up here. I'm naked without the coin. Yeah, man, me too. Me too. Entropy too, man. Like that's been a fucking Great one to have. I don't know how these guys come up with this shit. It's actually insane. Is there anything we want to add for a longer term play? Is there anything we want to DCA into? Oh, Maddox actually doing all right. Maddox actually doing all right. Wow, powerful. Ave had a pretty big move to the third expected move today. That was actually pretty crazy, and you still have a room on the SSR. Funny enough. Funny enough. Thanks for joining, Lil Chubb. Nice to have you here. Have a good day. All right, let's go out a little bit on the time frame here. What the fuck do we have now anyway? All right, I'm gonna go over these on my own time throughout the day here. I'm probably just gonna cut the stream a little bit early so that we can go and so that we can go and look at some more important things, such as this lady over here. Oh no, she put a shirt on. This is fucking terrible. This is terrible. All right. Let's see how the market is doing before we take off here. SPY still up on the open, SSR moving down on it, MOM moving down on it, some things of concern. Not looking for an immediate reversal or anything silly like that. It's just the thing I would actually want to see is this to cross up and the SSR to point out for an immediate up move. I'm just not looking for is center more BTC. Fucking true. We're gonna go raid her. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Nasdaq in the exact same position here. Lower time frames for SPY, we're not looking very good. Likely see some downside here today. Although, did it turn this around? Looks like it's actually trying to turn this around now. SSR still pointed up. You're now attempting to close above the POVMA. Let's see if this holds. Or if we get another cross down on the MOM. All right, let's see. Maybe on the 4 hour. HVP printing zeros on the 4 hour. Protect yourself. Let's see. Nasdaq on the lower time frames. Higher HVP right here on the Nasdaq. Anything else of interest? You're above the POVMA on the 4 hour, and you now have the SSR pointed up. You do have some room there as well. Nice, very nice for Nasdaq. So Nasdaq's kind of disagreeing with that. Then I would have to say, hey, likely you turn this around. Right, we will be back for the end of the day. I hope you guys make some money today, find some crazy opportunities, and yeah, let's go raid this lady. All right, how do I do this? Thanks for joining, guys. I really appreciate it. All right, what's her fucking name? Raid channel. Sorry guys, give me 1 second. I'm Smiths, by the way. Alright, bro.